Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group. This is Kevin Belzer, and welcome to beautiful Glendale, Arizona. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We're at 4426 West Orchid Lane in Glendale, Arizona.
Before heading inside this beautiful home in Glendale, Kevin, I think you wanted to share something with them.
Yeah, you know, I'm all about the parks, but today I want to do something different. I want to show them downtown Glendale.
Perfect. Welcome to downtown Glendale, established all the way back in 1891 by John Murphy. However, we're not here for the history, we're more here for what's behind us.
Yeah, the now. Okay, so the display behind us is a giant Christmas ornament. It's part of Glendale Glitters, which is 1.6 million LED lights over 16 blocks.
Wow, that's crazy to think about with all those lights. When does it actually start, this Glendale Glitters?
It starts around Thanksgiving and it runs till about mid-January.
Nice. And if you haven't checked it out, something that is a must-see, especially if you're here in downtown Glendale. And then last but not least, what are some of the festivals or some of the events that happen in downtown Glendale?
That's a great question. What I really like about downtown Glendale, and Glendale in general, is it has this small town feel, and they like to do all these little festivals. So in the springtime, they have a folk and heritage festival. In February, they have a chocolate festival. This has got to be your favorite. It's my favorite for sure.
What was the date in February on that?
I think it's the first weekend in February.
Perfect. Make that on my schedule.
Yeah. Over the summer, they do summer concert series. It runs from June to the end of July.
Nice. So a lot of stuff happening in downtown Glendale. They're also redoing a lot of the stores, and they're actually doing kind of like a little makeover here in downtown.
Absolutely. It's going through a huge revitalization.
Love it. And then last but not least, how far away is it from the house itself?
This is 2 miles.
Love it. So that's it for downtown Glendale. Let's head back to the house. All right, Kevin, let's talk specs.
This home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single story with a 2-car garage, just under 2,600 square feet.
Perfect. Let's go inside. Welcome to the inside. Let's talk big ticket features. Kevin, take it away.
Well, one of my favorite in this floor plan is that the dining room overlooks the living room. I absolutely love the wood burning fireplace behind us.
And then small side note, with the wood burning fireplaces, why are they so unique now?
Well, they've been grandfathered in. You're no longer allowed to put them in homes here in the valley.
So the new builds are not allowed to put the wood burning fireplaces, which again makes it very unique for this property. And then last but not least, Kevin, what are some other big ticket items about the house?
There's 2 that I want to bring up. This floor plan actually has 2 living rooms, so that's kind of unique in this age of home, as well as there's a 350 square foot Arizona room off the back of the home.
Love it. You can really feel it as you're walking through the property. It feels very spacious. So that's it for the inside. Let's head to the backyard. We're finally here at our last stop, and that's the backyard to this beautiful home in Glendale. Kevin, let's talk about the big ticket items here.
Like we're standing right next to it. This is a diving pool. You know, a normal situation, I'd be jumping in, but they did just repaint the deck, so I don't want to ruin the paint.
Thank you. So as far as the actual backyard itself, it feels just like the inside, very spacious.
It is very spacious. This one has palm trees, has grapefruit trees and orange trees, as well as an outdoor barbecue area and a storage shed.
Love it. And then one thing that I noticed is the Arizona room actually looks out onto the backyard.
Yeah, and at 350 square feet, it can host a party.
Love it. So if somebody wants to set up a showing, what's the easiest way to go about doing that?
Well, they need to call us at 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.